turning around, never be turning around, ayy. Never be slowing it down, never be slowing it down, ayy. I keep my foot on the gas, I keep my foot on the gas, ayy. I know I'm never gonna crash, I know I'm never gonna crash, ayy.
We make it bang, blood.
And here and right here is the second surprise that you're waiting for.
बात करना मुश्किल कर दिया इस आदमी ने।
भैं भैं भैं।
जब भागते हुए मैं लेके आया
हाँ। अरे बहुत सही फील आई थी भाई, पता चल गया था आ रही है, पता चल गया था पहले से ही। हाई से उस पे कर दो, टूरिंग पे कर दो। Fucking hell! I did not expect that. Fuck no! Fucking hell! Fuck! I did not see that coming, and it is still in touring mode. The last time I rode it, it was in urban mode, but touring is such a good mode, man. So much power. I can only imagine what the sports mode would feel like. So let's go. Fucking hell! Fucking wheelie मारी भाई मैंने। Fuck! Fuck! व्हीली लगी है, पता है? लगी है, इतनी सी उठी थी, इतनी सी। ओह फक! और ये अभी टूरिंग पे है। फक! ओह फक! अब मेरे को लग रहा है हाँ ये सुपर बाइक है। अर्बन पे नहीं लग रहा था, पता?
अभी स्पोर्ट्स पे चलाएगा ना।
एक सेकंड, हार्ट बीट फील करो। ओह फकिंग हेल! अबे यार, गलत पावर है यार। Fuck, I'm scared. I'm literally scared. Ow. I'm still in shock. I'm still in fucking shock, man. The Ducati Monster, fuck, it's a fucking monster. And so is that motorcycle right there. Oh, I can't wait to upgrade. I just can't wait to upgrade. Ah, fuck. अरे ले जाना, पता है, खींच लेना, ग्रीन होते खींच लेना। So I forgot to talk about this earlier. I'm actually recording this after I have ended the video. Gotta pitch it in somewhere. So yeah, that Ducati Monster belongs to Motor Monk India. Many congratulations to him for owning that beast. I rode that earlier also on the urban mode, but today I rode it on touring mode, and man, it's mad power. Shit, man. Inline 3. Oops, पचका हो गया. Just gonna do these first gear runs. Oh. So we're finally done for the night. Nothing much more to show you, nothing more to talk about. By the way, that's Julian aka the Enfield Saga with me. Behind me on the street triple is Dr. Pradeep that you've already met. And yeah, that's about it. Gotta get home, gotta get some sleep, gotta get back to the grind tomorrow. So I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.